Hello students, today we are going to study the topic histology of kidney. Let us study. Each kidney is covered by three important layers of tissue. The outermost renal fascia is made up of thin layer of fibrous connective tissue. It anchors the kidney to abdominal wall as well as surrounding tissue. The middle layer is a mass of fatty tissue called as adipose capsule. What is the function of adipose capsule? It protects the kidney by shock absorption. And the innermost layer is called as renal capsule. It is a smooth, transparent, fibrous membrane that is continuous with outer layer of the ureter. What is the function of this layer? It acts as a barrier against the spread of infection in the kidney. It means we have studied that the kidney is made up of three important layers. Number 1, fibrous connective tissue. Number 2, that is adipose capsule. And number 3, it is a renal capsule. LS of kidney, that is longitudinal section of kidney. It shows two distinct regions within the capsule. Histologically, kidney is divided into two regions, renal cortex and renal medulla. So, let us study the histology of kidney. LS of kidney. Now, what do you mean by LS? Longitudinal section of kidney. Histologically, kidney is divisible into two important regions, renal cortex and renal medulla. The outer part of the kidney is called as renal cortex and the inner part of the kidney is called as renal medulla. First, let us read all the parts and take one by one different structures which are present inside the kidney. They are as follows: renal pyramid, renal column, major calyx, minor calyx, renal papilla and renal pelvis. Now let us study in this diagram one by one. The structure, it looks like this. This is the structure of LS of kidney, that is longitudinal section of kidney. It consists of, now this is outer structure. This outer structure is called as renal cortex. In this diagram also you can see here renal cortex is present. The outermost region of the kidney is called as renal cortex. The middle part or the inner part is called as renal medulla. This medulla, it consists of many triangular structures. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are 7 to 8 or 13. Till 13, these triangular structures are present. These triangular structures are called as renal pyramid. They are called as renal pyramid. Now, what is present in this pyramid or inside this kidney? The structural and the functional unit of kidney, they are present. And the name of the structural and the functional unit of kidney is called as nephron. So these nephrons, they are present, means some part it is present in the cortex region and some part present in the medulla region. Now this conical structure, in between this conical structure, the gap is present. This gap is called as renal column. Actually, the cortex part, it get extend in the medulla. Okay, so it forms column-like structure and that column is called as a renal column. This pyramid, it merged as a minor calyx. Here you can see in the diagram, minor calyx. Minor calyx merged to form major calyx. And here yellow color portion, big portion you can see, and this portion is called as the pelvis region. The pelvis, it continue as a ureter which Finally, it opens into urinary bladder and through urethra the urine is expelled out. The kidney is supplied with red color portion which they have shown in the diagram. It is called as renal artery, and the blue color part which they have shown is called as renal vein, which collects the impure blood from the kidney.